What's up, DIYers? DIY channel back with another video, and today I will be showing you guys how to install a custom LED side markers. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. To start off, what you're gonna want to do is grab your T15 screwdriver, and what we're gonna want to do is go ahead and take these two screws out that hold the taillight in place. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Once you have taken both the bolts out of the headlight, as you can see right over here, this is what we're replacing right there. That's the old side marker. And what you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and remove both those bolts right there, which are so the sockets you will need to remove the nuts connected to this light right here is an 11mm. However, I recommend first using this long type of 11mm socket, because this one right here, like a normal size one, is too short because the studs on the connect to the light are too long. So this will not fit on. So what I recommend doing is first starting off with a longer 11mm and then taking it off part of the way, and then just going ahead and switch over to this one, or switch over to the smaller one, because it is really cramped in there and you barely have any room to move around. So yeah, that's the best way I recommend going about doing it. So anyways, once you have the nuts off, just go ahead and push that old light out like so. Give it a little wiggling. There we go. Now that's out. Now that's out. Then what you're gonna want to do is go ahead and grab your fresh new light right here. Already looking much better. I like the way it blends in with the darkness. However, this car will need a wash soon. But you're gonna grab this new one, and then what you're gonna do is go ahead and transfer this plug to this one. Next, as you can see, since this LED has no bulb in it, it just has a plug, what you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and remove the OEM bulb. To remove the bulb is actually very simple. Just go ahead and give me a second to angle this right. Sorry, I don't have a tripod yet. Just go ahead and grab the bulb, just go tug on it like that. There you go. Now what you're gonna want to do is just go ahead and grab your, actually before we go ahead and install this, what we're going to do is, as you can see, these studs right here don't have any threads on it. It's because, all right, as you can see between the old stock one and the new one, you see these threads right here? It's because these nuts right here, as you can see, these are a special type of nut, as you can see from the top. And what this basically does is it actually creates its own thread as it goes down the stud right here. So what you want to do to make life installing this so much simpler is just go ahead and take a ratchet and twist these on all the way down to the bottom real quick on both sides, and then go ahead and install them. So let me show you what I mean. All right, so now that you have pre-threaded your studs, as you can see right here, let's go ahead and install this back onto the car. So what you're gonna wanna do first, before you just go ahead and shove this in, you're just gonna wanna go ahead and take this little connector right here, and then plug it right into there, as you can see. Just go ahead and stick it in. Once you're fully bolted down, just go ahead and give it a little wiggle just to make sure it's fully bolted down, and as you can see, this is not going anywhere. So once you're done with that, just go ahead and re-bolt your light, and you are done. Here's the light fully installed at night. As you can see, it's very bright, so people will still see you, and the tint really doesn't affect it, this brightness. But also, I like these lights. I really wanted to install it not only because of the little design on it, but also because they were tinted. So I just like the tint, how it just goes with the whole black color scheme of the car. And yeah, so anyways, installing this product, 10 out of 10 easily. The coolness factor of it, I mean, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 too, because I mean, with a little line, it gives a little modern touch to it, and then with the little tint on it, it just goes with the whole color scheme of the car. So yeah, if you like the video, please liking and subscribing if you'd like to see more content, and then all product links will be in the description.